Hi guys, I'm Theo and I'm gonna show you what is a piscine. That's not what I meant. It's a 4-week admission trial at 42 Heilbronn. And no, you don't have to be able to code. At least not yet. You'll be working on campus with a bunch of other people just like yourself. Curious, chaotic and probably sleep deprived. All trying to figure out what coding and 42 is actually like. And the best part about it? It's 100% free! You don't pay us a dime. Not for the Piscine and not even if you get in. The learning is peer-to-peer. No teachers, no lectures. It's all about projects, collaboration and code reviews. You learn by building, breaking, fixing and sometimes crying. But together. In the Piscines there are exams every Friday. But don't worry, it's not a competition. You're not trying to beat anyone. You're just trying to figure out if this learning style works for you. And we're checking if you're a good fit for the school. Spoiler, we're super selective. We know that 4 weeks are a long time, especially if you're giving it your all. And because we don't want you to push yourself too hard, we have amenities to make your life as comfortable as possible at campus. For example, kitchens with free coffee. Gaming area. A gym. A music and event room. A lab room. The Piscine is intense. It's fun, it's kind of weird, but it's also a blast. Expect a little bit of chaos, some friendly stress, and a lot of jokes. Still got some questions? Drop a comment or DM us. We got you. And we will see you in the next Piscine.